I finally got my batch of micarta pins. I got them cut down to length, beveled the edges, and then finally drilled through my acrylic while blocking my camera. I cut the scales to their rough dimensions on the porta bandsaw, then finished the top portion that I can't get to after the glue up. Then the glue up. I did use the black pigment powder again to bring out the decorative spine. I left the scales a little bit proud so the decorative voids would be full of epoxy. I whacked the pins off, then went to work on the belt grinder cleaning up the scales. First look at the decorative spine. I like it. I used a combination of the 2x42 files and quite a bit of hand sanding to profile these scales. I put the edge on, then polished and stropped the blade, and I am very happy with the result.